How to stop Chrome or any browser from opening Android apps. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop your browser from opening your instant apps. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to know is there is a feature called Instant Apps where if you open any supported web links like let's say youtube.com, then it will direct you to your YouTube app. But if you don't want that, then what you can do first is select a particular app where you don't want your link to open and go to its app info. And here you'll find the defaults option. So just tap on set as default. And here you will find open supported links. So all of these links are supported, and if you toggle this on, then when you enter these URLs, it will redirect you to the app. So just toggle this off. You can do this for other apps like Facebook as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this option and turn it off. There is one more settings that you can change. Go ahead and open up your phone settings, scroll down to Google Services and tap on it. And from here, tap on All Services. And under the settings for Google Apps, tap on Google Play Instant. And what you can do is on the upgrade web links, you are just going to toggle this option off, and then it will turn off the instant apps. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.